Welcome again to another video of Regnex custom jobs, and this time we're going to be checking out this roof rack that we made for the chimney. It's a 6 feet by 4 feet top mounted roof rack. It has got a LED power mount diffuser, very little gap to avoid the noise which many of them complain on some standard roof racks. 4 mount points on each side, bend plates so that you have easy access to harness any cords or tie down points. These are the standard Molly panels I've connected so I can put up a jerry can or anything lightweight. Access to it is easy. These are aluminum extrusion frames fully connected to each other. It's a very rigid structure. I've put in a lot of time into developing this, of course inspired by some online pictures, and of course it has been made totally in-house, designed by ourselves on CAD. This design is with us for the past 2 years, but we haven't had the time to get it out into production. But now we have done extensive testing, a lot of R&D, a lot of changes. Seems pretty rigid. We have installed these and extensively tested it with top load capacity of 80 to 100 kilograms. That's a rooftop tent by Ironman, which we have loaded on top of this. What you can see here is we made provision for the original antenna to pass through so that your radio reception is not affected. We got some extra points for mounts here, just in case you have some other plans of adding some more accessories. A lot of slots as well, side as well as top. The extrusion frames, are very versatile. You can add a lot of things to it. Also, we kept in mind, if you ever have a plan to add a slide out solar panel, we have this provision here where in case you want to, you just have to cut out these slots and the solar panel is mounted below the surface of these extrusion frames, and you can slide them in and out, or it will remain in place. Plus you can still load your items on top and do not affect the solar panel. This is one of our extensions add-on, which is made specially for this roof rack. You can see it's much wider and in line with the vehicle width, so that whenever you open the hood doesn't touch at all when you open it, because many of them have the issue that it tends to rub against the hood whenever you open it up. So the line is perfectly wired in line with the body line, as you can see right here. So these mount brackets are a little unorthodox, you might say, the different type. We have put some rubber cushioning underneath. The rust that you see at the back is from a previous attempt to make a roof rack, but then it was damaging a lot. So now the new corrections are with proper rubber beadings. It doesn't fit into any groove or take off any paints. You have a lot of concern for paint chipping off and all. So what this does is this top cover is actually just holding it tight so that it doesn't come off as you jump, but otherwise it's locked in place. And we have a 2-nut and single bolt locking system where you can tighten and tension it as per how you require. All these tension at one at a time I mean. We did have some issues on the first install, then we took a test drive and then we tensioned them again. And this particular roof rack has been on the vehicle for months together and had no issues at all. We've been using it extensively, road trips, all these places. It's been holding strong. One other thing also I forgot to mention is that this particular plate in front is made out of 4 mm mild steel, and it's not powder coated, it's treated with epoxy and painted to matte black. Again, this is also mild steel, 3 mm mild steel. Same method, painted with a top coat matte black. The other frames are aluminum. The total weight of this is approximately 28 kilograms overall. We have scaled it with the measuring scale just to make sure that The weight is precise and not too heavy, not too light. I mean, the lighter the better, but the strength also is affected. This has been proven so far for heavy duty use and is very ideal for ideal off-road terrains, camping trips. You need not worry about load bearing. Also, it's very sturdy. It's got different options to do a lot of things. There are these slots for your LED bars where you can even pull it out, bend it outwards. You go to mounts here. You have your side mounts for your awnings as well. I think that's all.